Okay, now our big pieces are in, the Santas. The next thing we're going to do is put in our ornaments, the more show-off ornaments, the designed ones. And we're going to put them in more outside the tree and put them in the good spots. And a good way to do that, in a really fast way, is to grab the pine, the side of the wire of the tree, and put the ornament on there, and then just wrap it around. Twist it up, and they hang really well in there, and it makes it really fast to decorate. You could also do this, see we've got our branches sticking out, so you could also do this to hang, the same technique and hanging an ornament from there. So we get our ornament and grab a piece of the branch, put it over the smaller part, and then again winding around. And see, it hangs out quite far from the tree.